Do you guys see that video of that lady who was crying because she started to take HGH releaser and her wrinkles begin to disappear? Apparently people thought she was in her 40s when actually she was in her 60s. She was taking this exact HGH releaser. Here, this is a 3-month worth of HGH releaser, and it doesn't just have one type of ingredient, but it actually has 16 as well as deer velvet antler, L-glutamine, GTF chromium, and gamma-aminobutyric acid or GABA and more. I can never pronounce that last one. This is going to help you diminish wrinkles, firm and smoothen your skin, increase physical stamina, strengthen your nails and your joints. We live on the 3rd floor, and I have to climb the stairs every day, and I can definitely already feel a difference in how my knees feel. If you have any issues with low energy levels, wrinkles all over, brittle nails, or your joints are aching, then go ahead and check it out. I do have it linked on this video. They are restocked and it is on sale right now.